listen. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to create a calendar. That's a new calendar that you have to create from scratch. It doesn't exist in your Google Apps account. And then I want you to be able to share it with your friends. And I'll show you where it shows up and so on. So you need to log into your Google Apps, which obviously I've already done. And if you look at the top here, you have your different choices. Click on calendar. And the problem is you won't see it on here. So what you kind of have to do is go to this very important gear on the top right here. You click on the gear and you go to your settings. So to create the calendar, this is the way you have to do it. So once you get in there, you scroll down under calendars. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs here. Click on calendars. And as you can see, I have several. So I'm going to create a new calendar. And in your case, you're going to name it whatever your project is. If you're not sure yet, you can just call it Project X or something and go and change it after. So I'm going to call it Project X _ civics. Oops. Whatever, equal will probably work for now. All right, and you can write a description, calendar, blah blah blah. Okay. Share this calendar with others. Is a pretty important. Share this calendar with everyone in the organization, Osgood Township High School. You don't really need to do that. Okay. Here's where it's fairly critical. You need to know the people's names you're going to share it with. So the person who's creating it has to get their names. So I'll type Mark Dubois at Gmail because that's my other Gmail account. And I'm going to click and add all the names from those people. I'll click Create Calendar. Done. So the thing is, it will show up for me right here. But for everybody you shared it with, it actually shows up down here. So if you want, what you need to do when you log in, if you're not the person who created the calendar, you need to click at the bottom, okay? And here's one of my calendars, so all the events from this calendar show up. Or here's the Toronto Maple Leafs, which are on strike right now, so I can't really follow their games. But anyways, you get the idea. The calendar you created shows up at the bottom. So if you're not the person who created it, you have to click on it so that you can see all the dates. Once you do that, you can. And here's the thing. I omitted one thing. Whenever you created the calendar, make sure you set it up so that everybody on your team can add events. Okay? That's usually the default. So I didn't actually change it. So anybody I share this calendar with can add events to this calendar. Okay? And that's pretty much it.